Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to show you how I made my small lantern swag. I didn't take a picture of the lantern before it was complete, but it was a lantern that I got from my son and daughter-in-law's wedding that I'm repurposing. They've been married 6 years. From Dollar Tree, you'll need 2 of these pretty picks. They have red poinsettias on them. But since I'm going to be removing the red poinsettias, I also picked up a bush of the white poinsettias. You'll also need some floral tape or floral wire so we can attach our picks together. And then you'll need some ribbon of your choice. And then some miniature ornaments to fill up your lantern. And some LED timer candles to put inside your lantern. I picked these up clearance at Target. I removed my 6 poinsettias and I'm putting them aside for a future project. And then once my poinsettias were removed, I spread out the branches on my 2 picks. And then with some floral wire, I took the 2 stems and I attached them together with the wire. You could have used floral tape. I just decided to use wire because the wire was green. Then I removed 6 of the white poinsettias from the bush to replace the red ones I pulled off the picks. But because the holes are different sized poinsettia, I used some hot glue to attach them to where the red ones were. Next, it was time to make my bow, and these were my ribbons from Joann's, and I don't know where the other one was from. And with my easy bow maker, I just made 3 2-loop 8-inch tail bows, and I just put one on top of another until I had 3 layers, and I made sure my tails were going in every direction. Then I took just one more piece of ribbon to make my loop in the center with 2 8-inch tails. And then I secured it together with a pipe cleaner. The next thing I did was I made sure that all my tails were dovetailed. And then I took my LED candles and my ornaments and I chose shades of blue and I filled up my lantern. Then I took my swag and I attached it to the top of the lantern. But I saw that I could use a few more white poinsettias. So since there were still some left on the bush, I just removed them and hot glued them on the bottom portion of the swag. And here it is in my bathroom. As you can see, I have a blue Delft theme going, so I wanted it to be a little bit matching. And then I turned on the LED lights, and please get timer because taking those candles out with those ornaments is not an easy feat. And remember my little peekaboo elf? Well, there he is hanging over my toilet, just like I promised. I think both are a really cute addition for my bathroom, and I guess my guests will enjoy them. Quarantino and I hope you enjoyed our project. If you did, please give our video a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and as always, if you aren't already subscribing, please consider doing so. Quarantino and I will be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.